Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video I will show you how to configure an RFID reader and assign a key fob in Prodio. So first of all, why should you use RFID tags and readers? Well, they make job registration faster, easier and more accurate. Instead of manually entering PIN codes, your workers can simply tap their key fob or card and the system takes care of the rest. Now, how to do this? So first thing you have to do is to connect your reader to the device that you are using, and it should work immediately. Then you just go to Settings and Workers. And here you can add a new worker or edit existing one. So just click Edit, then clear this field, and now tap the key fob to the RFID reader, just like that. And that's it. Now your worker has his own key fob. And now how it works on the production schedule. When your worker has his own key fob, he can, instead of typing, choosing his name and typing his PIN code, he can choose the key fob. So he just clicks at clock in and then he taps his key fob. And he started working. The same thing goes for starting work on manufacturing tasks. Pauses. And also clocking out and clocking out of manufacturing tasks. He can also filter the list using his key fob. So, as you can see, it is very easy to assign a key fob for a worker, and it makes everything faster. So, if you have any questions about this, or would you like us to recommend some readers and key fobs, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
To już wszystko w tym filmie. Zasubskrybuj nasz kanał, aby być na bieżąco z nowościami i poradami technologicznymi. Dodatkowo sprawdź, co jeszcze dla Ciebie przygotowaliśmy.